बॉलीवुड की दबंग अदाकारा सोनाक्षी सिन्हा हाल ही में अपनी छुट्टियां मनाकर वापस लौटी हैं। इसके बाद सोनाक्षी रजनीकांत की बेटी ऐश्वर्या की बुक लॉन्चिंग के दौरान नजर आईं। इस दौरान सोनाक्षी का ग्लैमरस लुक भी सामने आया। हाँ, हम जानते हैं सोनाक्षी का हमेशा ही ऐसा लुक सामने आता रहता है, लेकिन इस बार जो उनका लुक सामने आया है वो आपको हैरान कर सकता है। आप खुद ही देखिए।
Sonakshi, if I had to speak to you, you've known Aishwarya since you all were children, and you all were childhood friends. Now, if I had to say the same thing, that is there a deep resonance and a deep identification with the theme of this book in your life? You grew up again in the lap of Hindi cinema, in the lap of around film lights, people, fans, screaming fans outside your home, screaming on sets, always having a famous father. Now, that is very different from what other kids go through, when their fathers step out into the real world, nobody's screaming for them, and you've seen a totally different side. How did that impact you in your formative years?
I think full props to my parents for keeping everything as normal as they could. I feel everybody, especially a star child or a celebrity child, craves for some kind of normalcy in their lives because they're always surrounded by so much chaos, like you said. So I feel it's very important for the parents to keep that balance. I mean, you have seen sides of our parents and through the media, through what you read, through what you see on TV, through what you see in films, which is always larger than life. So I think people kind of expect, that to carry forward in real life as well. That is where real and real difference between real and real comes in. And honestly, I don't know why people just think we've tapkod from some asman or not. No, we haven't. We are also very, very, our upbringings try to be as normal as possible, I feel. And I've had a lovely childhood, except for the parts where I was thrown into the limelight unexpectedly or given more attention that I craved for. How old are you? 14. So at 14, I think I had gone for some campaigning with my dad and everybody was treating me like I was some celebrity and asking for my autograph. And also when you're thrown into that at such a young age, you feel like, oh my God, what have I, been pushed into? I don't want to be here. And that it does impact you in certain ways, but it definitely depends on the parents to keep it as normal as possible for the children. I'm really happy that she's written this book, which gives our perspective out there so that you can know how we also feel. And
I have to pipe in here and say that my first award that I ever won for my first film, Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, was given to me on stage by Sonakshi, who was baby Sonakshi then.
Yeah, which
and
my
I was
dad
like,
again,
I was like, dude, this is really hysterical. like a 12-year-old is giving me my first film. So there are perks. And if you go online, there's a whole YouTube video where I look like a house, because that's what I looked like at that time. And Sonakshi is bespectacled and has spoken in Shuddh Hindi and said Adarniya something and something, and I was like,
my dad has taught me. Full tuition is given before going up on
So there
stage.
are some fun perks as well.
But no, I'm sitting next to him and I'm like watching this award function. Like any one of us would be like really excited to be at an award show for the first time. You're not directly into it. I mean, I came from school home and my dad was like, "Chalo award function mein jaate hain." And then I went and I started saying, "Chalo award dena hai stage pe." And I'm like, ye bolna. So I was like, yeah, okay.
तो देखा आपने सोनाक्षी सिन्हा का ये लुक, आपको सोनाक्षी का ये अवतार जरूर हैरान कर रहा होगा। नेक्स्ट 9 न्यूज रूम से गायत्री गुप्ता की रिपोर्ट।